this part of the array will be my result. So if I just print this, as you can see here, sorry, this is the second answer. See, sorry, this would be my answer because this is 0th row, this is my first row.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Now you tell me what would be the result for this.
For that one.
For that, yes.
Second column.
Only the second column will be my result. Why? Because what will be the second column? 3, 8. 3 and 8. That is my second column, right? 0, 1, 2. Yeah, only this will be my result. If I remove this. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
Yes, ma'am. Here 0 is to 2, row is 0, but column we have to write, ma'am.
No, this, see, I'll just zoom in. So whatever before I write, whatever I have specified before the comma is row. This is whole thing is for rows. Okay, this whole thing is for column. So if I am writing, there are only 2 rows, right? There are only 2 rows. This is the 0th row. This is the first row. So if I am writing 0 colon 2, what is 2 is n plus 1. So it will consider both the rows.
Okay, ma'am.
Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
No confusion, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What would be the result for this? Give your shot. Give a try.
Second.
So starting is?
Second row, ma'am.
Yeah.
And fourth column.
So it is taking from 0 to 4. It is taking from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whole columns will be printed. Understood?
No, ma'am.
So what is happening over here is starting is 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Starting is 1 and ending can be till how many rows I have? So many rows. So if I specify here one more row over here, if I space 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, how many elements are there? So was it 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am, why we should use the east one?
This one is for slicing. So if it is not is 2, if I don't write is 2 over here, if I just give 1, 5, what will be my result? What is the first row? 0, 1. And what is the fifth element? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there is only 4 elements. So if I just write 4, what will be my result? You get 10. You get the indexing value.
Index.
So if I want the particular chunk of amount, for example, over here, I have showed you here that if I just want this amount of data, if I want this amount of data, I need to cut this element, right? I need to
Yes, ma'am.
cut these elements. This I don't want. Only this part of elements I is required. Okay. So at that time, I need to use slicing. So this colon will specify the slicing. So here how I'm writing is row. First we'll slice the row, then we'll slice the column. In the row, what are we slicing? In the row, sorry, if I just right here, in the row, first what I'm slicing, row index for starting of the row index and ending of the row index, that is n plus 1. Okay. Then we are slicing the column I is to ending n plus 1. Getting my point?
Yes.
Understood now?
Yes.
So if I just want from 7 to 10, this 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is going to be my code? This is 0th row. This is the first row. In the first
First.
row only, I have all my elements specified. So I'll just give 1, 0 to, so 7 to 10 I want. So what is the starting index? Starting is
1. 1.
1. Then if I slice it, and how many in
4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I write
4.
5 here, I cannot write 4. If I write 4, it's going to be till third element. That is 0, 1, 2.
Okay.
Right. If I write here 3, it will just give me 0, 1, 2. If I just write here 3, you can see only 7 and 8. I want till 10. I want till
Okay. 5.
10. So if I write here 5, you can get 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is how the slicing of array. Okay. 2D array. So here before the comma, we specify row. After the comma, we specify column.
Okay.
Understood? Now we
Yes.
will learn about slicing the 3D array. It is a similar, but there are three elements to remember. Three indexes. One is matrix, row, and column. Matrix, row, and column. Understanding? So
Yes.
first thing, I think I have given you the image, right? Did I give you
Yes,
the
ma'am.
image?
Yes, ma'am. Some image.
WhatsApp image here. So sorry. So indexing and slicing will come under this only. Okay. So if I just say for this slicing part, if I want 11, 12, 14, 15, 21, 22, 24, 25. Okay, getting my point. I want
Yes.
this 4 elements and this 4 elements. Understanding?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Whatever I want. So for example, I will print 3D array over here. A3. So here I want 13, 11, 12, 14, 15, 21, 22, 24, 25. These are the elements I read. Okay, so what will be my slicing thing? What will be my code? First thing is for matrix. I want 0th matrix and the first matrix.
Yes.
So I will not specify the starting because it's starting. So if I don't specify anything, it will start from the beginning. First
Okay.
matrix we'll consider. Okay. So in the matrix, so I want 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1. So I will write here 2. Ending is 2. First see where are your elements are. It's in 0 and 1. Only
Yes,
in
ma'am.
these two blocks. Only in these two blocks I have my elements.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now then I will see the rows. I need first row and second row. Here also I need first row and second row. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
First row and second row, first row and second row. So first row, if I don't specify, it's okay. What is going to be my ending? 0,
1.
1, 2. 2 only, no?
N plus 1, ma'am.
N plus 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Wherever your slicing is there, no, ending is always n plus 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And then we'll consider columns. Okay. 0, 1. And then if I don't specify the ending, it will take till the end. So if
Yes.
I just print this, as you can see, 11, 12, 14, 15, 21, 22, 24, 25. This is my expected result.
Yes, ma'am.
So I got the expected result now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understood the slicing for 3D array?
Ma'am, matrix, I didn't understand.
This is the matrix. Okay, this is called matrix. This first block is called matrix. This is my second matrix, and this is my third matrix.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is the matrix.
Here, ma'am, in starting you have given these to 2y, ma'am.
Sorry.
Here, A3 bracket open, you have given these to 2, no, ma'am.
Huh. So I have explained now. So if I just want these two elements, these two first, this rows. Okay. So imagine I can't. Wait. Let me just take the screenshot of it. And just take the screen. Paint, I won't be able to specify so much. So okay, one second. So here what I require is, so here if I paint, so I want these elements and this element. These are the two things I want.
Okay,
Get it? So what is my indexing is, first index is my matrix, that is 0, 1,
ma'am.
2.
2.
This is my 0th matrix. This is my first matrix. This is my second matrix. In the 0th matrix, these are my rows. 0th row, first row, second row.
Second.
This is my zero. In the first matrix, it's my 0th row, first row, and second row. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so you were saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So in the second matrix, this is my 0th row, first row, and second row. Okay, here in the columns also you have 0th column, first column, and second column. 0th column in the first matrix, these are the rows, these are the
Call.
columns. 1, 2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I just want this part of elements, okay, this part of elements I want, okay. So it is starting from the beginning. It is starting from the 0th row, 0th matrix itself,
Mm.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are those elements? First, see
First
there
0. 0,
in the
5.
0th matrix, and I need to end it by first matrix,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So that's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
reason. If I don't specify anything, the starting index, if I don't specify any starting index, that means it's taking from the beginning.
0.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is taking from the beginning. So ending I have specified as 2. Why? Because ending is always n plus 1. 2
Okay,
is
ma'am.
1 plus 1. Right? 2 is
Yes, ma'am.
1 plus 1. So what will happen? So it will take 0th matrix and first matrix.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in the, rows, then we'll come to rows. First it is matrix, rows and columns. Okay, that's how you write for 3D array. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now we'll write for rows. So what is my rows consideration? It is I want only consider rows. Okay,
2 rows.
where are your elements? So it is in the
0 and 1.
0th row and in the first row.
First
It is
row.
also in the 0th row and first row.
First row.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So sorry. Just give me a moment. Okay. Now, understood this part. So I have not
Yes, ma'am.
specified the beginning because it will take from 0 to 2. So then this is my row specification. Now, columns I want. So if I want columns, this is as first column. This is my second column. This is also my first column. This is my second column. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So sorry. Now, so I have specified the starting. If I don't specify anything in the end, that means it is taking till the end of it.
End of
Okay. So if I write here 1, so this is 1. This is also, this is my first row.
first.
So this is also my first column. So sorry. First column it will take. Okay. From the first column till the ending.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this code?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you try this one. Okay, I will give you, open that image and tell me what is going to be the result of this. I'll give you 2 minutes.
Mhm.
The image I have sent you, right? Open that
Yes, ma'am.
image. Try to get this result.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry?
Oh, one second.
So let me just take, okay? Now, it is starting from 0, ending to 2. So what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
2? 2 is n plus 1. So what is,
6.
sorry, 2 is 1 plus 1. So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will take first matrix, 0th matrix and
And
first
first. Like,
matrix. So then
yes, ma'am.
starting is 1.
1.
Okay. 0 row. These are the 2 rows. In the 0th matrix also, so it is the incident 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 23,
And
24, 25.
26, 27.
Yeah, these 2 rows, these 2 rows.
Yes.
Okay, then it is cutting ending at 1. So what will be my result? 13, 14, 16, 17, 23,
23,
24,
24, 26,
27, 26,
26,
27.
27.
If I run this, you get the same result. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? The
Yes, ma'am.
slicing. So I have, so it will take little time to understand. So I have given the assignment. Okay, in the assignment sheet you can see NumPy slicing.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
NumPy slicing is a part. Okay, you can practice the slicing over there. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
try to do it by yourself
Okay, ma'am.
and check whether you will get the result or not. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood? Slicing
Yes.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now so this is the end of slicing. So we have 1D array slicing, 2D, 3D, 4D, 2D, 3D. 4D will not get into it too much. Okay. Anyways, here one thing you need to remember for slicing is starting when you specify starting of the index is the same index. Ending should be always n plus 1. If it is the 5th index you want, you need to write it as 6. Okay? Starting is always n plus 1. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
Mm.
So for 1D array, it's always a row. Only one row is there, so only one part of slicing you can write. For the 2D array, it's always row and column. For 3D array, it's matrix, row and column. So when you're considering a particular chunk of elements you want from the 3D array, first you need to specify matrix, second you need to specify row, third you need to specify column. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have now we have a view and a copy. What is a view? What is a copy? Okay. We have two things. What is a view and what is a copy? Okay. Both will do the same thing. Both will copy your array or copy your arrays into a new variable. Okay, if I do a copy thing, it will copy my original array to a new array. Okay, it will copy my array to a new array. Okay, understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
View and copy will do the same thing, but what is the difference? I will tell you. Okay, first let me just so what is copy is doing, as you can see here. If I just specify array dot copy and I have copied it, as you can see, there are two arrays which has the same elements,
Yes, ma'am.
right? It has same elements. Okay, for view also it is the same thing. Okay, as you can see, view will also do the same thing. It has created a new array with the same elements. But what is the difference between view and copy is, if I do any change in the copy element on the copy array, if I do any change in this array, there will be no changes in my original array. So if I run this, as you can see, I have changed the 0th element of a copy array to 42.
42.
So here, as you can see, the original array remains the same, but the copy array, there is a change in my copy array,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I change, but in view, if I change in my view array, and there will be changes made in my original array as well. If I do any changes in my view array, it will affect my original array as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is the difference between view and copy. Both will do the same thing, that it will create a new element with my array. It will create a, okay, then, but in the view element, if you do any changes in my view, it will not it will affect my original array, but in the copy it will not. This is the difference between view method and copy method. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's take up one more topic and then we will wind up the class for today. Okay, anyways, it's almost done for you. The NumPy is almost done. Last part of the NumPy is left. Okay, what is append method? We have learned in the list what is append, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Append will add a element in the at the end of my list, or any sort of append will add elements at the end, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We have learned that. So if I want to append, if I want to add element to my array, so I can use append. So there is two things to remember. One is what is access. So why do we need to specify the access? Okay, first let's show. If I just append, I have a 2D array over here, right? This is my 2D array and as rows and columns. So if I just append these value to it, okay, 7, 8, 9, if I just append 0 over so it has converted my 2D array into 1D array, and,
Yeah.
it has added my values at the end.
Yes, ma'am.
The dimension of my array has been changed. From 2D array, it has changed to a 1D array.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a reason to avoid this, to not change the dimension of it, we need to specify access values. What is access is, so when you specify access to be 0, then it will append to the row. If I specify access to be 1, it will append to my column.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so as you can see here, I have specified access to be 0. Access 0 is row,
Row.
appending through the row. Okay, so if I run here, here also I have passed 2D array. Okay, when you are appending, you can pass it in the 2D array. As you can see, it has been The dimension has not been changed. It is still a 2D array. The shape has been changed. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting? So here at the end, when you specify the axis to be 0, that means it will append at the end.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting? Then if I axis to be 1, what is the axis 1? Is for
Column.
column. So if I run this, as you can see, a column has
Yes.
been created with the new values. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Appending through rows and columns. Okay, and we know insert as well. We have learned insert. So here append, what will do? It will add always at the end of it. In the index of the insert, we can specify the index where you need to add your values, right? So
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
without the access, if I send, if it is first thing that here there is only two things to add, that is the array and the elements to be added, and if you want it row wise access values, access specify values you will add. But in the insert method there are three elements to pass. One is the array, then the index where you want to insert the value, then you need to specify the values, then the accesses where you want to add your elements. So here, without any specifying the access, if I just run the values, as you can see, it is converted to 1D array, and so it is added at the third element, 0, 1, 2, 3. In the third element, 11 and 12 has been added. In the third index, your 11 and 12 has been added. Getting?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I specify access to be 0 and if I pass, so here what is the first index? 0, 1.
1.
So in the first index of the row, because it's only taking row over here. Okay. So it is, you cannot consider column. So here if I want to add it in the first, add the, in the row wise, in the first row, that is 0, 1. Now if I specify here, as you can see, in the first index of the row, your element has been added.
Add with it.
Okay. Now, if I want to add it in the column wise, I have to
1.
specify the axis to be 1. Then, as you can see, in the first element, your column has been added. This is the insert method. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
The insert and the append.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Now, then simple how to delete. Okay, same thing, delete as well. So we need to specify, if I just specify here, you need to specify the elements which has to be added. Here you can pass which part has to be deleted. If I don't specify any access, this is converted into a 1D array, then the fourth index will be deleted. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 will be deleted. If I run this, as you can see, sorry, as you can see, it has converted it to 1D array, and the fourth index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index has been deleted. Okay, if I specify the rows axis, then here axis is 1, that means column. So what is the first column? 0, 1. So 2, 5, 4 will be deleted.
Okay.
Okay, if I specify the, if I want to delete a row, then I can specify 0. I can see here the first element, the first index has been,
Row.
row has been deleted. This is for 2D array. Got it?
Okay.
If
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
a 3D array, then in the axis 0 will be matrix, axis 1 is going to be row, Axis 2 is going to be column. Getting?
Okay.
Understood? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
removing and adding of the elements in the array. So we have one more last topic. If it is, so now we have learned and manually adding the elements. So for example, if you have two arrays, how do we add it? We'll take up in the next class, that is head stock, v stock, and concatenation. Okay, these are the last topic of NumPy. We will wind up NumPy tomorrow and we can start with pandas tomorrow. The basic of pandas I will complete by tomorrow.